looking at this is on the weekly time frame, but I just use this to this because this eventually will be an area where it's going to potentially bounce, like nobody knows until potentially it happens. And then from here to here, we can see that we had a lot of support above it. And now that it broke below, well, then now it acted as resistance. And now it's coming down. Let's go to a smaller time frame, the daily. So the question was, do I see this bullish to where we're going to get a hit on the alts? That was the original question. And we haven't broken a high yet. So until it breaks this high, I'm not bullish. And this goes with any coin too. So what I just mentioned, it goes with any coin. So what you're doing in a downtrend, you're waiting for this level to be broken in order for you to potentially enter the coin. You don't want to enter here or here or here because it keeps on coming down. But once it breaks the level, now you enter. Let's say there's a dominance on AI coins and it's doing this number. Am I going to get out of my token because the AI dominance or DeFi dominance or whatever dominance, am I going to get out of my coin because it's at resistance? This is the dominance. We'll just put it as dominance, okay? Now this is my coin. This is my coin. So my coin is doing this. Am I going to exit my coin because the dominance is at resistance? This is giving me the overall picture of the entire market. This is my coin. Oh, this will probably come down. My coin, because of this, is probably going to go up. I'm not going to exit my coin because of the dominance. Total 2, total 3. Now, can you look at it and say, oh, we're doing good? Sure. It tells you the overall market. Now, with that being said, let's do another analogy. Your state is a cookie, okay? And it is going to rain in your state. Awesome. That's good to know. Now, would you rather know that it's going to rain in your state, or in your state, you have your city, you have your neighborhood, you have your street, you have your house? Would you rather know this information that is going to rain right here, so you know to put an umbrella? Here is just going to rain in your state. Do I get an umbrella? Do I not get an umbrella? I don't know. Do I need a raincoat? Do I need a rain jacket? Do I need my rain boots? Do I expect flooding? Well, it's going to rain in your state. This is the dominance. This is the dominance. This is my coin. It's going to rain on my front yard. Got it. It's going to rain in my neighborhood. Got it. It's going to rain in my state. Okay. I don't care. What is it going to do in my coin? So this is my thought process when it comes to total 2, total 3, dominances. I don't care. It does not affect my coin because the dominance could come down, but my coin could go up. Now, again, what I do is I do a different way of thinking versus everybody else, because there's so many people that they literally regurgitate a website that they've consumed. Now, Bitcoin dominance, I do watch. Total 2 is this, and this. And it's going to tell you what the market's going to do or likely to do. I don't care what it's likely to do. What is my coin doing? How am I going to make money? I don't care about this. I don't waste my time on this. Now, granted, when people want to know total 2, total 3, sure, I'll show them. But for me personally, I don't look at it. It's a waste of my time. Before, when I was brand new, Bitcoin dominance. Then I would go to others, total 2, total 3, a few other ones, the DXY, just everything, the ES1 exclamation point. And there was like a few others. Every day before trading, I look at them all. Now, I look at Bitcoin dominance, 57.5%. Okay, I see this. Got it. I spent literally 2 seconds. One, I look here. One, I look here. Got it. Then I go to my coin. I don't look at total 3. I don't care about this stuff. Now, the ES1 exclamation point, this is if I want to know if the markets are going to do good in general. So this I will look at. The dollar index, I will look at as well, because when this goes down, usually the markets go up. So this I will look at. I will look at the dollar. I will look at the ES1 exclamation point, and I will look at Bitcoin dominance. Those I will look at. All the others, waste of my time. My trading has improved greatly since I joined your group. Thank you. This is my group. If you cannot afford this, some people can't afford this, and I don't want any barriers. I want 0 barriers. One, you can watch it for free. Ask me questions. This is a 1 hour I dedicate to you. So you can ask questions about indicators, about trading styles, about just questions you may have. There are no dumb questions. They're either questions we've had before or haven't thought of. Now, if you want to help support the channel, well, then here's 3 different tiers. The higher the tier, the more you get. We got training videos. You have access to me. I respond extremely quick. Reach out to me on Telegram. It's trade_intuition. Ask me, hey, what does your group do that others don't? This is what I do in my group, guys. This is the Dex Setups. I give you the chart, which is the chart you're seeing right now. I give you what it is. I give you instructions. I give you the market cap. Very fast up and down. Notice all this stuff. Does your group do this? Do they? I do. And there's times where I put more information on here, but I'm saying sell 50% at these levels. What we're going to do is we're going to ride it up until our indicator says to sell, or until the stuff that I'm teaching you says when to sell. And then this lower price, I don't think it'll happen, but this is what I'm talking about right here, down here. Give you the contract address and give you links, give you a bunch of stuff. What's this one? Oops, I accidentally gave you all this one. Oops, this is the one that I gave. Look at all this information I put out. Oops, my mistake. I didn't mean to do that. And we're just killing it. Absolutely killing it. Do I do empty dreams and promises and blah, blah? Nope. Sure don't. I give you results. Beneficial to you if you get it on a Dex prior to it being available to a lot of people who can get this. I put it out yesterday. This is what you get when you join my group. This is what you get. It went up 57%. Now, granted, this is not where our target is. Our target's at 100. I don't want no 50%. I want 100%. Now, does that mean that I'm gonna get 100% tomorrow? No. It just means this is where I'm going. So I expect it to go up and come down. More than likely it'll come down in here. If you see the price come down to about this area, then you can add to your trade or you can enter the trade. And then now that it's on these exchanges, more than likely you're gonna have more volume, more volatility. And this, I'd say hopefully in a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, this could happen in a day. I mean, there's been several of them where we've done 300%. Now, granted, am I promising that? Nope. No promises. Absolutely no promises. But I give you all the information. 18 million market cap. What does this mean? It can move very fast up or down. See, Grant says, Joe, used your indicator on my cookie trade. It was a bang on perfect. Yeah. All lower entry ideas. Profits are on their way. Yeah. My indicator is fire, guys. If you're in my group, my VIP group, how much should I charge extra for this indicator? 0. I don't nickel and dime my people, unlike other people that are out there. But I had just created a group for my Telegram on trading on Dexes to where you can make a crap load of money because it's on a decentralized exchange. So I made the group. 3 days later, I'm watching this guy, and he's saying that he created a group. I don't know if it's the same concept, and it's $300 one-time fee to all of his members. And then he goes on to say that he is a self-made multimillionaire. Maybe I'm not a multimillionaire or a millionaire for that matter, because I don't nickel and dime my people, because I truly do care about their success. I don't want to step on their backs to get elevated. Think about that for a moment, guys. If you have a mentor who truly does care about you, would he be nickel and diming you so that he can get another Rolex, so he can get another house, so he can get another vehicle, while you're just trying to get your vehicle to work so you don't have to take the bus? Think about that. Let that sink in. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.